now for your daily dose of entertainment.
Ba, 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 ba.
So look, I got a plan.
Father time? Can you hear me? Hello? Father time? That's right, you can hear me, can't you? Jailbird's gonna sing tonight.
I can tune into their signals now. So I can broadcast what I want. The idea is we're going to show them that we haven't changed.
And up next, it's Hotel California by the Eagles.
You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave. We are all just prisoners here of our own device.
Coming up next, the never heard before Hotel California by the Eagles. And up now, you're not gonna believe it, it's Hotel California. Eagles. And now, the only classic song there ever was and ever will be, Hotel California by the Eagles.
Hotel California, such a lovely place.
Why are you home so late?
I was out of work, everything's fine. Look,
Glasses are not permitted.
I didn't break and you're stupid.
Why do you snort cigarette smoke?
Alright, listen here, Tim.
Stimulating. Please clap.
the hell?
Shut up.
Was that really necessary?
You don't need your beauty sleep.
These days, yeah, you do.
Oh, shove it.
Where'd your stash go?
Fucking new regulations, man. I
Serious?
swear they fucking change the rules every day now. I think it's just to keep me on my toes, so I don't know what they're doing.
What's next?
That long hair of yours is gonna go.
Oh, my dead body.
We don't got much longer anyway. So look, I got a plan. Now, you do realize that after it, things are gonna be different, right? I'm too old to care anymore. Fucking. How long has it been since the war? 60 years?
Yeah.
Genetic modifications, man. You know? Anyway, I got a guy I think might work out. He should be good. You're not a tin can, are you?
Oh, I don't think so.
Yeah. Good. You better not be. Yeah.
So, what's up with that beard?
New regulations. I don't know. I don't know why they take it out, but you know.
Huh.
Yeah.
So, what are we doing here?
Well, first, you gotta get the chip out of your head.
Then what do we do?
And we spread the truth about how they're keeping us down, man.
The truth, huh?
Yeah. The
Okay.
truth, how they keep us down.
Okay.
Everyone will know.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Well, how do we do that?
Well, first, I'm getting the chip out of your head.
Oh.
Now, trust me, I've done this before.
Okay.
A lot of times. All right.
Okay.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Yeah.
All right, now trust me. The surgery will go just fine.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I've done this 100 times.
Okay.
All right. Take us through that.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. Oh my god. Don't worry, that's not for you. Oh, let's get this started. Oh, shit. You look good. There we go. Yeah. Alright. Can you stand up?
Yeah. Oh. Well, what do we do now?
Wherever we want.
Huh.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right. Let's do it.
We don't have much longer. The genetic modification only goes so far, man. And eventually they're gonna find us being useless and just get rid of us, like they did everyone else. Like all our friends. I'm just tired. I'm tired of not being able to do what I want. Fucking smoke what I want, drink what I want, or listen to what I want, or do anything I want. I want to be free again.
Were we ever free?
I have a plan. Shut up.
You have a plan.
My other ones were not that bad.
Not that bad.
Okay, so I got beat up and I got thrown in jail.
The third time you nearly got your legs
Oh,
broken.
shut up. You still got that music equipment, right?
You do realize that after it, things are gonna be different, right? I'm too old to care anymore.
I can't take the glare of reality. So much wasted potentiality. And I don't want to go outside. And I don't want to be outside. And I don't want to look outside again. Sometimes sunny days always make me sad. Sometimes sunny days always make me sad. Everybody having what seems like fun. Hands to waste a day awash in sun. But I don't care what goes on outside. And I don't care what's not inside.
Now for your daily dose of entertainment.
We're gonna show them that they can't control us.
Stimulating. Please clap.